What's going on, sneaker family, man? You got your boy Quanah Don coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. Today we're gonna talk about those GRs, man. Before we get into the video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to stay up to date with my latest videos, man. So we're gonna talk about these GRs, man. These GRs have became a limited release. Yes, I'm talking about the Jordan 6s, Carmines. So listen, I hear the craziness. There's a lot of craziness going on with as far as the pairs bleeding, staining, the midsole staining, turning pink. There's a lot going on, man. So I mean, you gotta understand, as far as stock numbers will not be as they were. That has changed. So now these shoes have become a limited release. That's just what I think. From doing the research, I called around, I hit up some stores, I was asking, are they gonna have the Carmines? And a lot of stores in my city and a lot of places in my city will not be having the Carmines, man. Either they not having them or either they sent them back. That's the crazy part. So this sneaker here, that I'm not gonna say everybody slept on it, but I just felt like the fact that it was supposed to be a major GR release, you know, a lot of people put it on the back burner, you know, to go after those 85 neutral grades or, you know, the Jordan 1 trophy rooms. I understand. You know, you got the resellers and the hype beasts, and that's at the moment those are hotter shoes. But these are classics, man. Definitely was not gonna be easy. Even with those old stock numbers, it wouldn't have been easy. So now it just made it a lot harder for people to be able to cop these shoes, man. So me, I'm glad I'm out the way. You know what I'm saying? I never had my eyes on the neutral grades. I never had my eyes on the trophy rooms. It was always the focus on these Carmines, and I got those up out the way. I actually hit on 2 pairs. So thank you. I hit on 2 pairs, so I'm blessed on that. Definitely one of these shoes. This shoes was definitely something I wanted in my collection, and I was able to hit on 2 pairs for you know what I'm saying, for retail. I'm going to pick up my pairs tomorrow. Stay tuned to that. I'm gonna also have a vlog up for that as well. I'm gonna get that posted up tomorrow with that cop. But yeah, like I said, man, there was a lot going on. You know what I'm saying? Your boy definitely gonna pick his up tomorrow. No games, no play. But yeah, man, it was a lot going on. You know what I'm saying? It was a lot going on with these, man. So the freaking online was crashing, the sites were crashing, Champs was crashing, Foot Action was crashing. What's the other one? It's Champs, Foot Action, and Foot Locker. They were crashing, man. They were crashing. People were not able to check their raffles. Some wouldn't even be able to confirm their wins if they did win. There was a lot going on. So I mean, that's a lot. They're even doing first come first serves on sneakers until that following day. So it's not like how it usually be where it's first come first serve. If you didn't hit on it, they'll let you know. No, like you'll find out after release if anyone come and pick up their pairs. I mean, that's basically like how they usually do it, how they normally do it. So there's nothing special about that. But yeah, man, I knew that was gonna happen. I mean, it's a Jordan 6. You know what I'm saying? Not too many of those come out that we do like. You feel me? You have a selected few of the Jordan 6s that we actually like, that come out and people go crazy over. Me, I love all the OG colorways, man. Listen, it's a Chicago colorway, period, point blank. You know what I'm saying? So y'all should have known. And they got that Nike on the butt. Y'all should have known. Y'all should have known. Shouldn't have played with it. A lot of people not gonna be too happy. Ain't gonna be able to get their pairs, or you know, they're gonna have to pay resale. I wouldn't have went after I mean, trophy room stock numbers was crazy, man. You know, a lot of people went after it, a lot of people tested their luck, man, but listen, it was slim. If you put most of your energy into chasing those trophy rooms, that was very, you know, I mean, it's very time consuming. But Anyway, man, I just want to get on here and speak on that for a quick second, man. Y'all stay tuned for the vlog, man. I got some new equipment. I got something new, so I do want to try that out. But definitely gonna have that posted up tomorrow. And I'm gonna get that review up tomorrow. Probably even on foot for y'all, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. As I said, and as I always say, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love, so hit that like. Like I said, it don't cost a thing to show love, so hit that like, man. And we out, gang.